Mr. Charming, really wanna change, so count on me. Baby, I'll explain, so facciami. Mr. Charming, really wanna change, so count on me. Baby, I'll explain, so facciami. So come, let's talk. Baby, come, let's talk. Baby, come.
This is what their box looks like. Very adorable packaging, very sturdy. So it looks like this. So this is the clip-in extensions. I'm about to do an unboxing. So this is the clip-in extensions, and I'll give you the specs and everything. And then came, oh my gosh, and they gave me natural black mink eyelash DM22, number DM22, a comb, and extra clips. It's giving me just two. A care pamphlet, and it looks like this. Very thoughtful. Let me read this. So it says, Sassina hair is cut from young and healthy women. 100% real human hair. Can be straightened, curled, just like your own hair. It says, it says, I'm sorry, I shouldn't be laughing. It says, if you are chasing an amazing hairstyle, if you're after an amazing hairstyle, we suggest you let your hairdresser to make it for you. So I guess they're trying to say, you know, if you're chasing for that amazing hairstyle, they recommend you to go to your hairdresser and I guess install this for you, even though this is, I'm pretty sure this is easy to install. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I got it, okay, let me read the description. It says, clip-in hair extensions, Yaki straight 20 inches, natural black. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys, if you've seen my previous video, you know that I silk pressed my hair. As you can see, the ends are like no longer like pin straight anymore. So that's why like I decided like this Yaki would go well with my, you know, pressed hair. Now if I were to try this with my original initial stage of the silk press, 100%. But even though it's been 2 weeks, I think it's blending very well. The only difference is the color. As you can see, this is more of a 1B to 2, more of a 2, and my hair is obviously 1B. Okay, so this is what the length is like, and it has a lot of bounce. And in about 2 seconds, I'm going to zoom up so you guys can see the texture. So this is the texture of the hair. And this is the end. As you can see, they're very, very healthy. They're clipped well. It looks like just a bundle of 20-inch hair. So I don't know how full this is gonna be, but considering you're going to mix this with your own natural hair, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. So let me just comb my hair. Ow. Okay, so I just cut the elastics. So far, no shedding. Like I'm running my fingers through the hair. So far, oh, one shedding. I don't know if you guys can see. I got one strand there. Okay, so let me zoom up on the weft. It's double wefted. Let me zoom up so you guys can see. Okay, then you can see the clips. You can see it looks like this. I've never tried clip-ins before, so obviously go like this, and then you slide it, and then you just go like that. I don't know how secure this is going to be. Like, clip-in extensions have always been intimidating to me, because it's like, how secure is this, you know? This piece, it's like about this wide. So I have 2 of these. Oh no, this one's smaller, but there's more pieces. And then I have 1 piece that's like literally the size of the width of the clip. And yeah, that's it. Let me see. 1, 2, 6, 7. So it came with 7 pieces. So I'm guessing these are going to be enough. I'm counting on that because Alright, so let me talk about the experience with this company. So in terms of communications, perfect. Within a day or 2, they reply whenever I message them. As soon as I gave them my address, they shipped it within the next day. They shipped it, and I received it within 3 days, and they used DHL. So far, I just unboxed it, so I haven't experienced any shedding, any tangling, or anything. Let me smell it. It smells like a typical, like if you've purchased AliExpress hair before, it smells like that. I honestly don't know what they use. It's not strong, but the scent is present, so obviously I'm gonna have to wash, condition, and apply my special trick, and then remove the scent. But so far so good. I am going to now, since you see how puffy the ends are, I don't think it's going to blend well with this texture, even though it's nice and yaki. Yes, I'm going to lightly press the ends, not too much, and I'm going to come back and I will see. Alright guys, so I just finished installing the clips. Took me 2 practice to get this fullness, because oh my gosh, this one was quite hard. I feel like this is kind of thin. Like, this 1 pack is not enough. I feel like you need 2, especially if you're a type of person that likes fullness. I would say like you need 2 packs. Like, 1 pack is not enough. But then again, this is 20 inches, and as we all know, the longer you get with your bundles, the shorter the length of weft that you get. So maybe that's why it seems like I didn't get enough clips. I felt like I needed at least 10, but I made sure to focus on clipping like the top half of my head, like the perimeter. Like, yeah, you really have to be like strategic when it comes to like the placement of the wefts. But other than that, it's natural density, as you can see, has a lot of bounce. Natural hair, and this is the bundle. The textures are looking like my hair is not 100%. Like, the ends are not 100% straight, but even then I feel like they're blending quite well. So I'm just gonna take about this piece, I'll say medium, and I'm just gonna use my straightener and then like curl the hair. Ooh, you guys can see. Oh my goodness, look at that. So yep, it does curl. Oops, so the pamphlet wasn't lying. So yeah, that was my quick initial unboxings slash initial review. I will follow up with how to apply clip-in extensions, and also yeah, I'll probably do like a 1 week review or something, but don't worry, I will do a follow-up. Okay, again, this was Sassina hair. Okay, and this is their information, and I'll put all their informations, contact, their numbers down in the description below, so make sure to check that.